Hey guys, how are we all doing? Hope we're having a good day. All right, let's have a look at what we need to see in the market. Now, if we go on to, now where were we? What's it even called? Road to Forex Starlight tracking. I believe we missed a week. I've been so busy. So 12th to 16th of May. All right, we did the 12th to 16th of May. So now we've missed out the 16th to the 20th. And we need to do the 23rd to the 27th. So I'm going to do 16th to 20th right here. That's what I'm going to do. And I might even do both of them together. I don't know. And then we can have a look at it towards the end. This might be a long one. Might not be. So let's go and have a look. So we're going from the 16th. Oh, there are a lot. There's a lot going on here. Oh, okay, I've gone too far. Thank the Lord. 14th, 15th. Okay, now we've got the 16th. Give me 1 second, because I am actually scalping on oil at this current point in time. Very hard to do both. Very hard. Oh, huge gap on oil. I know you guys can't see it, but look at this. Look at this. Look at that gap. Look at that gap. That's massive. Oh, missed out on a losing trade. Yeah, I did. Awesome. That's happy for me. I'm happy. Missed out on a loser. How good. Okay. This is the 2 hour that we're looking at through here. Get rid of that, please. Tell me. 3. Got to change this. 6. 25. Okay. Cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so that's technically the 15th, but it turns into the 16th. So let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at this one here. What can we see? Yeah, it's that. Okay, how's it been going down? 1 day and 2 hours. We've got a lower low. Don't have a lower high. So really, has it been going down for that long period of time? Can't really say. If I was to hop in as well, my stop would probably be up here. Too far, right? Even though we could probably look at it. Oh, we would have lost. Ah, perfect. I actually thought we won that one. Never mind. Okay, I'm happy with that. Saved 2%. Let's keep going. 30 minutes, and this was on the 16th. 21st. Oh, there's a lot. 16th. Oh, okay. This might be a loser. Maybe. Let's see. I wouldn't say it's double bottoms because that's a gap. That's a gap there, and I'm not particularly fond of that. And I wouldn't say these are double bottoms here. I'd say there's multiple tops. I wouldn't say there's multiple bottoms, right? That's what I'm looking at there. So we've got no news coming out. It's clearly not consolidation. Now, here's the problem. Stop loss size. I would say this is the last low here, which actually keeps us in. Now, why is this the last low? Because even though it's consolidation, which I don't particularly like, you guys know that when I'm looking at this, consolidation is going to form lows and highs by default. If you're going like this in the market and you're going sideways for 17 hours, it doesn't matter. You can have multiple highs and lows. I really don't like them as a whole. Something like this would be far better. But in the interest of hopping into a trade, I probably would say that this is your low, because from here you do have a large move to the upside. So I probably would have looked at this and gone, yes. Now, only thing is, because I'm an idiot, I need to just have a look at this. Where is it? 1, 2, 3. Yep, that's absolutely fine. This is completely fine trade. Okay, so you could hop into this one here, USD CAD. I believe. Now, I think it goes up to 30 for that many minutes. If we go over here and look at the settings, yeah, it goes to 30. So this is one. This is one. Let's go into the tracking. Oh, damn, I didn't do 2 of these. Don't worry, I'll put that in. I did see 2 of them during the week. That's just what these are. That's okay. We will go over them. 16th of May at 0200. 16th of the 5th, 0200. That's USD CAD. It's on 30 min. Stop loss is 29. Possible stop loss. We don't think it works. So we're going to go NA, NA, NA. And I think we're going to lose on this. So what happens? Yeah, we immediately, literally immediately turns around, slams us. Okay, cool. So we'll have an after photo then, minus 1%. We'll look at these later. Cool. So from here, let's keep on going. This is USD CAD. Great British Pound. Okay, here. Let me just move forward because I want to see this. So you can clearly see you've got double tops and double bottoms. Wouldn't have hopped into it, unfortunately. Stop would have been here, which would have been completely fine. Would have it hit R1 to 2? Oh, it doesn't even look like it did. Oh, saved a trade. Early November look. Yeah. The beard was getting a bit disgusting. So I was like, hey, got to make a change. Got to make a change. And that's what it did. I always find USD CAD be taking me back to doom it. Yeah, it's been like that for about 2 or 3 years. I think I said maybe, thanks, mate. Maybe 2 months ago that USD CAD used to be one of my favorite pairs, but that was like 2 years ago. And since then, it's been a cruel mistress. It's been a very cruel mistress. So, I mean, we could have a look at that, but let's just keep on going. Are these both on the 16th? They are. So I can have a look at this other USD CAD one while I'm here. Great British Pound USD, I should say. Would I say that is the high? See, this again, this is it. I'm not going to call this a high. I'm just not. Now, why aren't I going to call this the last high, right? Because it's one candlestick. We can't do that, right? It's the, as I was saying in a meeting before, apply your thoughts to the market. And this is just for anyone, that wants to find out where your highs and your lows are. If you look at this and you genuinely go, okay, this is a high because it's gone from here to here in one candlestick. Cool. All right, let's apply this. Well, you've probably got a low here. And if we're doing adverse, because the low and highs should be on the exact same scale, right? You've probably got a high here, and then you've probably got a high here and a low here and a high here and a low here. And then you look at the market, so you've got a low here, a low here, a low here, a low here, high, high, high. It just doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. So you look at this and you go, okay, well, it has to be all the way up here. Now let's just see what would happen if we had done this. You lose. Even if you had hopped in perfectly, you lose. You lose. So you look at this and then you go, okay, well, we've saved again. Now we're on 6. Right? Lots of nice moves, but lots of reversals right after. Yes, it has been one of those weeks. So I've got to make sure to not look at Great British Pound USD again. Keep that mentally in my head. 16th. Oh, my word. Well, I'm going to do all 3 of these for the 16th, which is CAD JPY. I think we can tell this first one, for example, here's a low, maybe here's a high. Nothing as of yet, right? You could maybe say that we've got double tops through here. You cannot say we've got double tops. So if we had a look at this one here, this is all right. This is all right. It's not the worst thing in the world. You're probably looking at your stop loss is too big. Either way you go. Either way you go, you can't hop into that. No, it's CAD JPY, so you can go up to 35, but technically your stop is here, so you can't hop in. So that would have saved you 246, because obviously it ranges from here on in. So that's 6% that you saved, just because we didn't hop into a range. All right, so already we're on 12%. It's Monday. 12% saved Monday. Nothing gained. 1% loss in terms of our tracking. Yep. Also, we have to do minus 2%. Yep, that's right. Because I'm doing it as if we're basing it off of 1% risk per trade. Cool. Euro USD on the 4-hour. Hide that. Keep that there. Okay. So we're looking at something like this. I mean, we've already got double bottoms. We do not have double tops, though. Yeah, it's too far. 12. Maybe I'd do a 10 on the 4-hour. I could probably go even further than that. I'll probably push it to a 10. It's 11.9. It's just too far away. So no double tops, but yes, we got double bottoms. You would have hopped in here. I think this is okay. You would have hopped in here. You would have put this here, and then you would have gone for your 1 to 2. But hold up. Let's look at market structure. Lower low, lower high. Higher low, lower high. Equal lows? Double tops? Does that look like it's been trending for upwards, even though we've got the super trend here, right? No, it doesn't, does it? So probably wouldn't have hopped into the trade because it just doesn't make sense, right? Not even close. Yeah, exactly. It's just these common sense things through here where we go, all right, well, no, wouldn't have hopped into that one. Cool. How much are we saving? And I'm not doing this from the start of this month. I'm not doing these things again. Oh, it hurts me. Cool. So CAD JPY on the 1 hour. No, we just looked at CAD JPY. Oh, no, that was the 1 hour. This is different. So it's the same thing anyway. If you would have hopped in, guess what? Your stop loss would have been actually way too big. So you save yourself again. Wow. Yes, we're down 2%, but we could have been down 16%. CAD JPY already done. Euro JPY. Let's go over there and have a look. Double tops, double bottoms before you even hit this sell. Easy. 18. Fantastic. CAD JPY, already been onto that. CAD Chef 4 hours. CAD Chef on the 4-hour. So this has just been going down. Obviously, this doesn't really matter. Even if you would have won, and I don't know if you do, no, you would have lost, but it's been going down. So again, you look at this, okay, 20. Saving money. Great British Pound USD. Oh, my word. Okay. So both of these already, if I have a look at them, it's not 24 hours. So therefore, we wouldn't have hopped into either of them. And then, again, you've just saved that. So now we're on 24. Would for the 4 hours, would you 4 times the trending period from 30 minutes to get the amount of trending time? Let me say that out loud again. I'm just trying to work that out. The 4 hours, would you 4 times the trending period from 30 minutes to get the amount of trending time? It's just 36 hours. It's just 36 hours. That's all it is. Just need 36 hours for the 4 hours. Yep. And then you're fine. You're all good. So, yeah. Wouldn't have hopped into either of those trades. NZD USD 2 hours. Here. Okay. Double tops. Stop loss would have been huge, regardless. You can tell that straight away. So 26. Okay, I wasn't sure if it was a bigger amount or not. No, it's the same. We're all good. CAD Chef on the 30 minutes. I think we just looked at this. Oh, no, Monday. 19th. Oh, God, where have I just been? Wasn't I just doing Friday the 16th? Oh, crapping hell. We did. Where did we just start from? I can't even remember. Here, which was the 16th. Am I an idiot? 16th is a Monday. 17th. Where the heck are we? 17th is a Tuesday. Wednesday the 18th. Oh, we got nothing on the 18th. So now we're on the 19th, which is a Thursday. Why the hell does that say? I'm on June. That's why. Oh my God. I'm an idiot. How do I have a job? How do I put my shoes on in the morning? I've been looking at the wrong calendar for the wrong month. It's the pissing 19th to the 23rd. Oh my ass. Mate, I don't know why anyone actually listens to anything that I say. This is just fucking nuts. Monday artist, one of those mornings. Yeah, grow the beard back, mate. Sign says, mate, with beards are smarter. Oh, mate. Far out. That's all right. We'd still be looking at this one anyway. We're still looking at this one here. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Just wasted all that time. 16 minutes in, pissing around. Okay. I'm still on Sunday. Oh, okay, yeah, fair enough. It's all right. It's all right. These things happen. That's what I have to tell myself. I'm like, what? So I didn't miss out. So it's the 2nd today. We're doing the 26th. No. The 19th to the... I'm just making sure that I'm not messing up anymore. Track and proof. We've done the 12th to the 16th is what we've done. Yeah, we've done the 12th to 16th. Now it's the 19th to 23rd, and I'm going to do 26th to 30th. Okay. Ugh, okay, here we go. Over here. Would I have opted into it? It's ranging the entire way through here. Does it break out? Yeah. Where's our retest? Here, and it just drops straight back into it, so you never would have hopped in. So now I can do this. We've saved 2%. With beard 10 plus IQ, and without beard minus 10. Yeah, just the mustache is only maybe like +1. So, it's hard for me. Here's a buy. Clearly, it's not been trending for 24 hours. It's a shame. Stop loss still would have had to be massive anyway. Looks like it would have got you 1 to 2, but is what it is. So you lost out on 3%. Yep. NZD CAD, 4 hours. Sell, clearly ranging. You saved money. Don't worry, man. I'm running the mustache build too. I love it. USD Chef, 1 hour. Let's have it. Oh, I don't think it's going to be 24. Oh, it's that bloody 2 days thing, isn't it? I'm just going to count it normally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. No, it couldn't have hopped in, but in saying that would have been an absolutely almighty stop loss. Too big anyway. Even though you would have got it, and that would have been a 1 to 5. Now you missed out on 8%. Is what it is. No, not a chance in a million years. That clearly hasn't been trending for a long enough period of time. Great British Pound CAD on 30 minutes. This is for the 20th. Yes, it is. Again, same deal. Wouldn't have hopped in. Go British Pound USD. Both of them we just talked about already. So this is where we kind of got back on track, and it was like, okay, cool. So that's now 12. How it be? We've got to follow the rules. Yeah, exactly right. CAD Chef on the 2 hours. What do we think? What are we thinking? Oh, is news coming out? Is going to destroy us? 21. Oh, no. Okay. Now we just got to look at... Oh. Okay. Double bottoms, not double tops. News too far away. Not consolidation. Oh, we might have consolidation. Damn. 15. Oh, we're gonna get done in here by bloody consolidation. I can feel it in my bones. Oh, look at that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. Oh, consolidation. Gets me. Oh, that would have been a good one too, huh? No? Yeah. Never mind. So that's just 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. Never mind. So close. This one. Oh, I remember this one. Again, stop losses save lives. I don't know if it saved lives on this one. 22. What's our minimum one for 1 hour? 18. So that's absolutely fine. Could have hopped in here, got no news. Clearly been going up for 24 hours. Everything's okay. That's definitely not a range. We could chuck it here. I think we lose anyway. Oh, you hurt me. You hurt me so. How dare it? How dare it? Do something like that. It's gonna just. Oh, there we go. Stop loss is what? It is 22.8. Yeah, there's nothing that can take us at double tops, double bottoms. Oh, guess what? Guess what, though, guys? Which I haven't seen. Boom. Boom. When does a range die? When it breaks out, which happened here. When it retests, where's the breakout? Is it here? No. Is it here? 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 Where was the breakout? Because this can't be it, yeah? This can't be it. Can't be another breakout. It's just not big enough. I mean, even on here, it goes nowhere. That can't even break above this. You know, this is a breakout. It clearly smashes everything. That in itself is 15. These two candlesticks together. I mean, this is a bigger candlestick, yeah? We don't get that. Breakout, retest, no breakout. So no bueno. Actually, looking at it now, it's a big no bueno move. No good. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, this is okay. All right. Double bottoms, double tops. Yep. Yeah, every day. So no, wouldn't have hopped into it. 16. Okay. Hopefully you guys understood why I didn't take that ranging trade. Where? Oh, it's here. Oh! Remove 50 drawings. Yep, makes sense now, 100%. Yes to a double bottom. No to a double top. Oh, it's 11.3 again. But it hasn't been going down for that amount of time, so you wouldn't hop into it anyway. What happens? Oh, you would have lost. Okay. 18. So we're going for the 19th to 23rd. Okay. USD CAD 1 hour. We're smashing through it. Oh, hold up. I think we're going to have double bottoms here. Oh, yeah. I think, yeah, you bastard. It's because of the gap here. I wouldn't. Let me just see. 6.4. Okay. So this is a weird one. This is a super, super weird one. This is a really tough one. This is not a low because we don't count gaps. So it's really a question of, are these two... But I count this as a high. That's the question. If I do, this trade's not on. This trade's not on. If I don't, this trade is on. So we've got to look at the rules. We've got to look at our rules here. So I don't count these gaps. So I'm not measuring from here to here, right? I'm not doing it. Clearly, this has to be some sort of a high. Clearly, this one has to be. It's whether I think that this one is. And you'd say, oh, well, if this one's a high here, Alex, then surely this one has to be as well. I'm probably going to err on the side of caution and say, yes, it is 3 candlesticks. It's on the 1 hour. Oh, it's 16.6 pips. Crosses underneath the EMA. Yeah, I'm going to have to say it is. And therefore, we wouldn't hop in. Damn. So that's 8. So that's, 5 and 3. 5 and 2. Jeepers, which is 7. 18. Could pound CAD on the 1 hour. Clearly, that's a gap. But you haven't been going down for 24 hours, so it does not matter. Woohoo. Euro odd. I hate how it's doing this. No. I don't know if you would have won. No, you wouldn't have. You wouldn't have anyway, so you're all good. 22 saved. KJPY on the 2 hours. I'm going to have to let one of these trades play out soon. Okay. Here we go. Now, this is going to be a funny one again. Double bottoms, yes. Double tops? Yeah. So let's just say we would have hopped into it anyway. Stop would have been here. I mean, that's a bloody 1-to-1. How far? Oh, okay. You screwed anyway. So you saved. That's 24. Okay. We're up to this is Thursday now we're in? Thursday? I hate USD Chef. How many bloody signals do we get from USD Chef? 1 million. 1 million signals. It's a ridiculous pair. How far? Oh, there you go. It's only 8 hours and 30 minutes. Awesome. Would we have lost? Oh my word, I don't think we would have. Lost. Just depends on how close this gets. Ooh. 2.1 pips. Think you would have gotten done on the spread there. So we're not going to put it in. Just not put it in. I think that's the fairest way to go about it. NZD CAD 2 hours. Who knows? Double top? No. Double bottom? Yes. Double top? Yeah. Double bottom? Double top? Let's just check if it is. I don't count the slippage ones, remember? Oh, yeah. Chris Perrin. I hate the spread on FX lol. Oh, Chris, you're here. How are you doing, mate? How are you doing? Chris invented a strategy that did 33% last month, guys. 30 based on a 1% risk on a larger account. But regardless, if you've made a strategy that made 33% and won 36, my bad. Yeah, we're sitting there going, crap. This man has cooked it. He's cooked the charts. He's absolutely done it. Yeah, the spread absolutely just kills you. Yeah, it does. So this does count as a double bottom. And this wouldn't have never retested. Maybe you could say this did retest here and then it broke, but then you got to look at these here. Technically, this would have broken everything from, oh, wow, did the entire wrong move, right? From here onwards, that's all broken. So we don't count that. I know that might sound absolutely crazy, but we are in a, okay, we're in a massive range. We're in a massive range. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'm an idiot. I need to zoom out a bit more. Okay, missed out on an 8%er. Missed out on an 8%. 7%er. Sorry, that's absolutely ridiculous. 2 and 5, that's 25. Cool. I believe. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Cool. USD Chef on the 1 hour. This is the 22nd. Yeah, this is 22nd. Okay. USD Chef on the 1 hour. Wow. I think you actually would have potentially taken this. No, you wouldn't. This is not a high. No, you wouldn't. No, you wouldn't. No, you wouldn't. So you're saved. 26. Euro odd. Oh, look at that. Perfect. I just have to play this forwards a little bit. Wow, you would have pulled out a break even regardless. Even if we did hop into this one, there's multiple tops and multiple bottoms. But you would have lost eventually. So many Ethereum and USD. Oh my word. You can tell how much I've been trading oil. This is nuts. Okay, get me in here. It must be this one. This is the same thing, isn't it? Multiple bottoms, multiple tops. Breakout, retest never happens. Yeah, you would have given up on actually a really nice winner. So that'd be 7% again. So that'd be 32. USD CAD on the 30 minutes. This buy. Oh, does it go up for 24 hours? Maybe. 15. No, wouldn't have hopped into it. You've saved yourself some money. Or Chef on the 1 hour. Oh, we're freaking out. Freaking out. Both of these. Double bottoms. That's not a high. Double bottoms, yes. Double tops, no. You actually don't get it until later. Oh. Lower low, lower high. Double bottoms. Lower high. This is actually still trending. Believe it or not. It's still trending. But in the question of where my stop loss would be, up here, so you would have been in it. I'm not going to put this down as a 0% because I can't be asked putting it in. You would have hopped into this trade, 26%, but then you would have got your double bottoms and your double tops, pulled out at break even, basically for both of them. So it'd be 2 trades, both at 0. Right? That's what we'd be looking at through there. I obviously didn't check about news. Looks fine. Great British Pound on the 30 minutes. Clearly consolidation every single day of the year, right? That's clearly consolidation. Don't even need to look at that. Okay, so Thursday. Oh, this is just Friday. Odd Chef on the 1 hour. Double bottoms? No double tops? Do we just look at that? Yeah, I did both of them. Yeah, cool. USD Chef here. I swear we just looked at that. I must be going out of my mind. Oh, it was Great British Pound Chef one. That's what we were talking about before. And this is a USD Chef one. I'm going to say spread would have actually got you, and you wouldn't have had enough time to go up anyway. So, yeah, save 34 there. May 24th. So that's that week in half an hour. I don't want to do the next week, but I'm going to do it right now. So, God knows what I was looking at here. I don't know. I don't know what I was doing. Delete rows. Don't know what I was doing. Losing my mind, apparently. Okay. I think we can pretty much just see from this, so I don't have to look at it anymore, that you would have lost. Is there a sum? Oh, okay, because they don't have the percentages on them, so I'll just delete this. So you would have lost 238%. 238%. And you would have made, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you bugger. Well, we know it's not going to be 238, right? We know it's not going to be 238. Piss off. There we go. 175. So you would have been down a crap ton of, well, percentage, right? This is why we follow the rules and the process. It is there. When anyone ever doubts me, when they go, I'm just going to do something off on my own, I'm going to send them this video and I'm going to go, suck it. This is it. This is why you follow a process. I'm already down. This is why you follow the process. Whenever you do not follow the process, this is what happens. Like 10 because I'm retarded. Okay. Nice guns. Nice, mate. But this is it. This is it. And I promise you, if we just did this week after week after week after week after week after week after week, this will get more and more and more and more. 238 to 175. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's at least 60% difference. 60%. And we average out what? Like 52% a year? Yes, this is an absolutely wild strategy where you have to say no to so many trades. And yes, it is annoying. And yes, it is frustrating. And yes, you do have to be on the ball. But at the end of the year, year after year after year, we've made 40% plus for the last 4 years. You follow the process. When you don't follow the process, you get absolutely slammed every single time. So I'm never going to come back to this now. I'm never going to do it. I'm going to say, yeah, I'm not doing that. So now my videos can be shorter. I don't have to spend as much time on here. So with that being said, big reminder, yes. That being said, let's power through last week, see what we had, and yeah, we can go for it. Because I don't have to switch over to that chart anymore. Oh, my word. This is 24th of May. No, it's not. Let's go forwards. There you are. Oh, my word. Well, obviously, for Great British Pound CAD, you wouldn't have hopped into any of them because they're all ranging. And guess what? They all would have lost. Don't forget, it takes a different amount of time for everyone to get. Yes, it absolutely does. Yes, it does. Or chair for 30 minutes. Let's have a look. Oh, that was on. Damn it. That was on the wrong one. Why now? Oh, it's still the same thing. Still the same thing anyway. Still bottoms down here. No. Oh, God. Oh, it's not trending for a long enough period of time. Whew. Okay. Let's have a look. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing in my life? Still a range. Wouldn't have hopped in. Absolutely fantastic. Let's keep going. Okay, range. This one probably you would have won on. Not this one, definitely not. Oh, no, you would have. These are two trades you would have won not following the rules. Here I'm going, follow the rules. It's still the same thing, so it doesn't matter. Euro CAD on the 30-minute. Not a chance on God's green earth. No. Euro CAD on the 4-hour. Look how much faster I can go now. This is fantastic. Let's find out. Let's find out. So this is coming out at 16:45. Is on a completely different day. It is. Okay. Double bottoms. Here. Do we have double tops? Yes. So, actually, you're saved. Because technically you got double tops here as well. 1, 2, 2. Multiple lows. Don't hop in. Fantastic. You save yourself a loser. Cool. Give me a winner. Give me a winner. 26. Oh, they're Great British Pound cards. Don't worry about it. 4-hour on the odd trade. Here we are. Oh, it's a winner. Maybe. I don't know. You can clearly tell absolutely it's an A-tier trade, right? Double bottoms, yes. Double tops, please. I'm not counting that as it's going to be a double top in it. please. Oh, it's not. It's not a double top. Yes. Oh, is my stop loss going to be too big? 100. 116. What the Great British Pound AUD? What is that? Do we win it? Have we what? Oh, we don't know. We don't know. We just don't know. You would have pulled it anyway. Okay. Triple bottoms. Oh god, would you even have this as a double top? No, jeepers, absolutely not. What the hell is this? I mean, it's going up anyway, so you never would have hopped in. Lol, I looked at that one thinking 100 pip. Damn you. Yeah. 100 pip. No, it's going up anyway, so no. What the hell is this? I mean, it's consolidating anyway, so you never would have hopped in. So my indicator is just bugged out on this one. Great. Okay. Double bottoms? Yes. Double tops? Yes. Are we in a massive range? Yes. Would I have hopped into this? No. Would I have won? Maybe. That's 68, so you need 120. Nope, you wouldn't have won anyway, so it's all good. Oh. No, that's a double bottom. Double tops. Never would have hopped in. All good. Do we want to trade anymore? Is this what's just happening now? 27 to 28. Oh, both of them haven't been trending for long enough. Geez, it's been a while since we entered the trade. Give me something. 27th? 27th, 28th that we're hopping into. Over here. Am I about to be really disappointed? News? No. Higher highs and higher lows the entire time? Yes. Hop in here. Stop loss there. Oh, I think it's a losing trade. Sag. Didn't know I said guns. Is there a reason I wouldn't hop into this? It's clearly been going up. Damn you. This, I reckon, is a completely valid trade. I reckon this is a completely valid trade. Oh, you bastard. You absolute bugger. But then you get your double bottoms down here anyway through here. We just got to see what the spread is. If the spread is over like 4 pips, we might have been, 7 a.m. We might actually be okay. Possible loser. Did anyone take this trade? Did anyone lose? I didn't. I wasn't up for this. Did anyone take this trade? Can we confirm if anyone got knocked out with spread? No, you didn't take it. What's the minimum for a 4 hour? 30 pips. This is 29. So technically, if we go to 30 here, I know it's 30.3, but let's just look at it. It would be about 4. You might be safe. I'm just gonna put that at a break even. That might be a bit sneaky of me. Anyone can call me out here if you think, Alex, no, a break even trade right now on this is not acceptable. I think you might have been okay. It's a 50-50. It's a 50-50, but this is a valid trade. Is it news? What happens here? Could have been all right. Could have been all right on that one. I'm going to leave that. I'm not going to put it in. I'm just going to leave that one alone and say that's a mystery of the universe. Don't know about that one. Oh, we already talked about them. NZD USD in the 30, obviously not. Euro JP1, 30 minutes. Maybe not, obviously. 13 hour, 15 hour, no. There was some non-folder news that day. Chef got smashed. Black Swan. Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah, there's 2 euro JPYs. I'm an idiot. Okay. Oh, is this pissing ranging? You bastard. That's a double bottom. That's a double top, isn't it? It so is. You suck. Couldn't hop into it. Couldn't hop into it. Though, to be fair, I probably would have said that this is a high. So you would have been okay. On the 1 hour through here. No, clearly hasn't been ranging for long enough. Odd chef on the 2 hours. We just want one winner. No, obviously not. Never hop into that one. Just want one win. Oh, it's freaking out. Okay. So, weird one here. This is a weird one. This is a very weird one. This is actually very funny. You got your lower low here. Got your lower. You got a higher high. Maybe even a lower high. But you definitely have a higher high here. And then you've got a higher low. It's weird. Love reaction. Yeah. Passionate about this stuff. Probably consolidation. Yeah. Probably. Most likely. Oh, yeah, that's consolidation every single day of the week. But you still get a higher high. I mean, technically, if you do this, right, we don't actually hit consolidation until we come into this point here, where it does become consolidation. But this, you can't count this out and say that this wasn't trending. You can't say it wasn't trending up till here, and then it consolidated, and you can see that the consolidation really did start from here, but it was trending at the same time. Now, what happens over here? It's still going up. I've not got double bottoms. I've not got double tops. I've not got any break of structures whatsoever. It doesn't exist. Because remember, we do not count the highs and the lows in these areas. You know, oh, Alex, you're counting this one here. Yeah, because it's still trending, right? Then we come down. It's not a break of structure. This is still a higher low because I do not count consolidation lows and highs. So then we get a higher high and then we get a higher low. Now, this I'm not counting as a high. Why? Because it's not gone down far enough for me to say, yeah, that's going down. I would. Does everyone understand why I would actually look at this trade and I go, yes, I would hop into this one? I don't know. I don't even know if it wins. Oh, Bond. He's done it. Mr. Bond slammed it. Look at him go. Look at him go. And if one of my students has taken it, you know the rule. I've taught them well. I'm including it. I'm including that bad boy in here every day of the week. And that could have been an easy runner. So you would have made 3 and 2, which is 5% through there. Because we're doing it based off a 1% risk. Yeah, 3 and 2. Yeah, cool. Awesome. Easy. So this is the 28th of May at 18:30. 28th of the 5th, 18:30. NZD-JPY, my favorite all-time pair. What is it on? It's on the 30-minute. Oh, another 30-min trade. What's the stop loss? It's 22.3. So we're just going to say that. Possible stop loss. Could we have gone even tighter? Let's see. Yes is the answer to that question. You could have gone basically 12 there. 12. Possible TP, therefore. If we're going for perfect, right? Could we have gone for that? Yeah, we could have gone for a 1 to 4. 4 through here. 5%. Chuck that in there. Booyah. That is our... I've just found out that I'm a fool. These threes are actually pissing fives. Oh, no, they're not. No, they're not. They hit the 1 to 2 and they go back. That's absolutely all right. I've got 5. That's only our second 1 to 5. All while keeping high, and high, low structure. Nice price action on it. Filled the FVG, came back and retested consolidation area and bounced, all while keeping high and high low structure. Yes, that is a fantastic way of looking at that in the market. I was at work, rushed for time, so I only got into 1 to 2, but still happy. We could do that. We do that. Chris is, Chris has been trading for a long time now, but yeah, if you ever want to look at a really good take on it, exactly what Chris has said is perfect. Yeah, it's a more succinct version of what I was saying, way more succinct. So 2 hours. Oh, guys, how long have we been going down for? In fact, I probably wouldn't even do it from here. Yep. Yeah. Oh, we got a trade. We got it. It's here. Do we have news? Please. 3 a.m. I think we do. We don't have double bottoms. Yeah, double top, sure, but our double bottoms. Oh, how big's the stop? What does it go? 40. Yeah, nice. Damn it. No trade. Oh, damn. That would have been a good winner. 28th. Oh, I need to skip this forward. Oh, obviously, we never would have hopped into this trade ever in a million years. Just absolutely no. That's okay. Let's just keep going. To the no, we wouldn't have hopped into that trade. Euro CAD. Are we at? We're at 29th now. Oh, there's 0100. Oh, jeepers. That's the 27th. We're looking at this. What? EuroCAD 2 hour? Am I? It's 2300. That's why, because it comes out at this time. Yeah, cool. No. What the heck? Obviously not. We're about to do this. We're about to finish it. Obviously not. We're about to finish this. Oh, we've got 2 trades left. Oh, it doesn't go on for long enough. Doesn't go up for long enough. It's only 12 hours 30. Great British Pound CAD. No, we already talked about all of them. Short. What the heck? Friday 30th of May? Where's the 30th? Where are we on? I thought, oh my God. Look how many 30ths there are. Oh, I could shoot myself in the foot right now. Oh. Yeah, from here probably. 8 hours 30. No to the USD CADs. No. Yeah, guys, you've got me doing this right now. Just go, no. I'm super helping people by giving them so many great explanations. No. No, stop loss will be massive anyway, surely. No, stop loss is absolutely fine. Do you have a double top, though? That's the thing. This might be a losing trade, actually. So that's at 11. That's at 2100. You've definitely got a high here. That's 6.7. It's whether I called this a high, which I don't know if I would. It's only one candlestick, so I wouldn't actually. Yeah, technically, this is actually a legitimate trade. Oh, you bugger. 34 AUD USD. How big can the 2 hours be? Up to 40. However, anyone that's quite smart would have done this when the market's about to come up. So we're on the 2 hour. If you were smart about it, which you should be doing anyway. So not this candlestick. The next candlestick. Where should your stop loss be? Right near your entry. You should be hopping out at break even. Because this comes through, hits news, actually does nothing whatsoever. You might have been able to re-enter. Honestly, but then you would have had your double bottoms and you would have been looking at this and going, okay. Probably would have stayed into it. Probably would have taken me out of this trade. Would I have re-entered though? Probably. There's nothing here where I can say I can't hop into this trade. There's nothing. There's nothing that I can say to that makes me go, yeah, I can't hop into this trade. Damn. What in the name? There we go. So, yeah, we actually have to hop into this trade. 30th at 11 a.m. 30th of the 11th. Yeah, absolutely fantastic, Alex. 11. It's AUD USD. 2 hour. Stop loss is what? It's 34, so basically 35 there. NA, it's -2. Is it going to give me a percentage? No, I have to put it in normally. Okay, through here. Get this. Oh, no, I need to play it out. Damn, we would have lost just in this last hour. How funny is that? I mean, it's not funny because we just lost. But is what it is. Okay. Great British Pound. Oh, no. Get the Great British Pound CAD crap out of here. Already looked at that. Great British Pound CAD, no. USD CAD, or we're on it right now. Great British Pound CAD, Great British Pound CAD. And then we've got the 31st. There was some on Saturday? In the morning? No. Oh. No, obviously not. No, obviously not. CAD JPY on the 2 hour. No. Euro JPY on the 1 hour. No. Great British Pound here. No. Okay. So, gosh, we've got a few losers. This is a pretty poor month. Message retracted by Chris. Let's see what we got. Only 4% for an entire month. Not the best. Not the best. Not the best at all, to be honest. It's pretty poor. It's a pretty poor month. I'm looking for 4% per week, on average. We just decided to run into a crap load of losers this month. So if we went, I'll convert it to a table. Sure. Oh, it's gonna do that. Control Z. Control Z. No, if you're gonna do that, not happening. Total. %. However, in saying that, if you were quite a good trader, you had at least 2 opportunities, well, actually 1 opportunity to take this a little bit further than you possibly could, because you could have gone for a 1 to 4, which means that potentially you could have gotten 6% out of here. Now, yeah, there are way more losers that I wanted there to be, especially for this month. I mean, that's pretty crazy. It's not what I'm particularly liking. Count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 winners, 9 losers. Not the best. Not the 60% we're looking for. Even saying that, it does go to show that the strategy can still perform even when we're not doing too well. This is a poorer month, but that was May. And what have I always said about May? It's one of our worst months. It always has been one of our worst months. Any mentoree that's here, that's listened to me, knows May is a crap month. Always has been. So this is our worst one. We got 4% on our worst month. That is a massive win. That is a 2 thumbs up moment. Do you have certain risk management rules to mitigate damage when in a losing streak? Yes. Yes, I do. It's a funny rule. It's always stay 10 trades away from losing. That's all I do. I always stay 10 trades away from losing. So I'm consistently moving my stop loss or I guess the amount that I'm trading with. Now, in saying that, you don't want to get really caught up, because if you're doing this like us, you're going up and down and up and down and up and down like this, it can actually mess things up. What you want to do is when you get 2 back-to-back winners, then scale it appropriately to where you want to be. But every time I lose, that lot size goes down and down and down and down and down and down. 2 back-to-back winners, I'm up. And that's when I do this, because if I do something like this, back-to-back winner, so like I know this didn't happen in here, but that was a back-to-back winner, cool. I scaled up appropriately to where I needed to be. Guess what? I got this. Fantastic. Scaled up again. Yes, I decided to lose, but I'm 10 away. So I immediately scaled down, scaled down, scaled down. Didn't change, scaled down. So it kind of works out in the long run. I just have that 10 in there to always go, I'm always 10 away. So that really helps me, especially when I'm trading, and also helps me when I'm going up as well. I'll have accounts that I want them to be 20 away from always losing. I have accounts that go, let's be super aggressive and be 5 away. And there's so much room to play with that, and I actually really love it. Because you can be very aggressive with it, or you not. And you can set it kind of a rule that just makes you feel comfortable. 10 is a good number for me. If I'm always 10 away from losing, I'm not risking necessarily 10% of my account every single time. But I am around that number for, Yeah, I am. I'm usually risking that. And you could be looking at it and going, jeepers, 10%, but then I lose, and then I'm risking that 10%, and then I'm risking that 10%, and then I'm risking that 10%. But then I come up and I'll kind of scale along with it at the same time. Now, that's a very aggressive way of doing it. As I said, I've got accounts where it's like 20. I'm 20 away from losing. So that's different in itself. Then I'm obviously not risking that sort of level. So that's what I'm doing. I do set alerts to let me know when it's heading down and keep an eye on it when it gets down. Yeah, nice move. Cool. Well, we are up to it. Total 4% in our worst month historically. June is usually a slow month as well. It can be good. We can get good Junes. It has happened, but it's a really 50-50, I feel. July, August, September, October, November. Those are the good months. And remember, this is just a snapshot of 1 month. We've obviously made money previously. I'm up around the 20% mark for this year. It's been a slower year. We've just got 4s and 3s and 2s, and it's been around there. You've got a couple of runner opportunities in there as well. But yeah, slower first half to the year, but still moving around that 15 to 20% zone right now, which is still, it's life-changing no matter how you look at it. So yeah. Okay, I'm done. I've been talking for 1 hour and 3 minutes. That's crazy. And I need to do some work. I have no idea what's happening on my scalping. Haven't looked at it in an hour. If I've missed out on a trade, put me on watch. I can't use the word, but you know what watch you're talking about. It's the bad time watch. Anyway, I'm going to see you guys later. I'm done. I'm finished. I'm cooked. So I'll be around Friday for crypto. Yep, be Friday for crypto. I'm already on watch. Your beard has grown back on the live feed. See if I do grow the beard back. See if I do grow it back. Might not. Who knows? Who knows what I'm going to do? Might keep the mustache going. I don't know. I've got to ask opinions. So women, you really got to ask, hey? If they like it, then I'll be all good. If not, then no. Gonna have to start calling you Ron. That's a good one. Yeah, Ron. Yeah, nice. The Jeremy. Yeah, I know. Yeah, the old Jeremy. Yeah, I know. As soon as you said it. I don't look that bad. Surely not. Come on. I don't know if YouTube's going to flag me for this right now. Oh, do a maybe. Nah. Come on. Him? Surely not. Surely not. Is he in jail? Oh, maybe a bit like that. Ugh. A young Ron Jeremy. This is a 4x. This is a 4x channel, and I'm on Ron Jeremy, right? Give it another 20 years of trading. Man, I'm going to be done in 20 years. Fuck trading in 20 years, man. I'm going to be trading your strategy. We're going to get 33% again, and I'm going to retire. That's what's going to be happening. Nah. It's what it is. Cool. All right. Let's do this. I will speak to you guys in the next one. Have a good one, guys. Bye.